Hyenas are fascinating creatures known for their distinctive laugh and adaptability. They are found mainly in Africa and Asia, with a few species venturing into southern Europe and the Middle East. Hyenas belong to the family Hyenaeidae, within the order Carnivora. There are 4 species of hyenas: the spotted hyena, the striped hyena, the brown hyena, and the aardwolf. Spotted hyenas are the largest of the hyena species and are often seen in the savannahs of Africa. They are known for their distinctive black and brown fur, which is dotted with white spots. Their powerful jaws can crush bones, and they are skilled scavengers, often feeding on the remains of kills made by other predators. Striped hyenas, on the other hand, are smaller and have a coat of yellowish-brown fur with darker stripes. They are more solitary animals and are found in a wider range of habitats, including deserts and forests. Brown hyenas are the largest of the hyenas found in Asia. They have a reddish-brown coat and are more nocturnal than other hyena species. They are also more solitary and have a diet that consists mainly of insects, small mammals, and carrion. The aardwolf, the smallest of the hyena family, is found in Africa. Unlike other hyenas, they have a diet primarily composed of termites and ants. They are also less aggressive and are more elusive, making them harder to spot in the wild. Hyenas are fascinating animals due to their unique adaptations. For instance, their stomach acid is less acidic than other carnivores, allowing them to eat bones and other hard substances. They also have a highly developed sense of smell, which helps them locate food in the wild. Hyenas play an important role in their ecosystems. They help to control populations of rodents and other small animals, and they also help to clean up carcasses, preventing the spread of diseases. Despite their beneficial roles, hyenas are often perceived negatively due to their scavenging habits and their association with death. However, they are an integral part of the African and Asian ecosystems, and their conservation is crucial for maintaining the balance of these ecosystems. Hyenas are truly fascinating creatures, with their unique features, adaptations, and important roles in their ecosystems. They are a testament to nature's diversity and resilience. Understanding and appreciating these creatures can help us better understand our world and our place in it.